Simply add them to each pot, and your geraniums will bloom wonderfully. They grow faster and immediately produce many new buds. The flowers are large and have a beautiful, vibrant color. For many people, walnut shells are worthless and often end up in the trash. This is a big mistake. I'll show you how to make a flower fertilizer from them. Take about 20 walnuts and remove the shells, as it's the shells we'll use for the mixture. They contain a wealth of nutrients, including potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, as well as fiber, amino acids, proteins, and tannins. Place the shells in a pot and cover them with a liter of water. Then, simmer them on low heat with the lid on for 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the mixture. Finally, dilute the solution in a 1:2 ratio with water. You can confidently water your flowers with this mixture. You'll notice the difference almost immediately. The color will be more vibrant, and most importantly, the number of flowers will significantly increase. Give this to your flowers, and even those scorched by the sun will revive. It's a supplement you can make at home, and it helps all weakened plants. If the leaves of your plants are sunburned or dried out, you can help your plant recover. All you need are supplements that you might already have in your medicine cabinet. Folic acid helps plants maintain healthy metabolism and DNA. Folic acid is also known as vitamin B9. It stimulates growth and accelerates flowering. Glycine is an amino acid that is a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Thanks to glycine, the process of photosynthesis proceeds correctly, resulting in healthy, greener leaves. Take 1 tablet of folic acid and 1 tablet of glycine. Crush them in a mortar and pestle as finely as possible. Transfer the crushed tablets into a container of water. Mix well until they are completely dissolved. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and use it to spray the leaves of the plants, as well as to water them regularly. You will quickly notice an improvement. The plants will revive, become lush and green, and begin to bloom beautifully. This is how I water my pelargoniums. My balcony will be bursting with flowers. The method is really simple. Just pour 1 liter of water into a pitcher. Then add a whole packet of dry yeast. Yeast is rich in minerals like potassium and amino acids that support root development and plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds. Coffee contains nitrogen, a key nutrient for fast growth and abundant flowering. Now add 2 small teaspoons of sugar. Mix everything well until the ingredients dissolve and form a uniform mixture. Prepare a pitcher with 5 liters of water and pour in the entire mixture. Simply take a glass of this magical mixture and water all your pelargoniums with it. Use it regularly and you'll notice an amazing difference. Even the pelargoniums that seemed weak will come back to life. This natural care method will keep your flowers healthy, strong, and beautiful all season long. Just a handful is enough, and your geraniums will bloom like crazy. They'll be covered in flowers and fill your entire balcony. Here's how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Put a tablespoon of rice into a coffee grinder or blender and grind it into rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to a jar. Then, add a tablespoon of sugar. Pour half a liter of hot water over everything. Close the jar tightly and set it in a warm place for 3 days. After this time, strain the mixture through a sieve or gauze to remove the rice remnants. Now, dilute the fertilizer with water in a 1:5 ratio. 1 part fertilizer to 5 parts water. Pour the prepared liquid evenly into the geranium pots. Water with this solution once every 2 weeks. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Use this natural fertilizer regularly, and you'll see your plants grow and bloom. Your geraniums will be healthy, lush, and full of colorful flowers. Try it yourself and enjoy the beauty of your plants all season long. 1 tablespoon of this powder can save plants that are sick and tired from the heat. Turmeric is known for its strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. To prepare this plant-saving mixture, take turmeric and add 1 teaspoon to a liter of warm water, then stir. If you've recently transplanted your plant and it needs extra nutrients, add 1 more ingredient. Prepare 100 milliliters of milk and mix it into the water with turmeric, stirring well. Before using this mixture, strain it through cheesecloth to remove any solids. Pour the strained mixture into a spray bottle and apply it to your plants. Avoid spraying directly on the leaves, as this may cause them to dry out. Instead, apply the mixture to the soil or the plant stems regularly every few weeks. Your plants will revive and flourish. Geraniums will bloom like never before, covering your entire balcony or terrace. This simple fertilizer costs nothing and eliminates the need for expensive commercial fertilizers. This liquid is completely free and rich in the essential nutrients for healthy plant growth. It contains nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, and trace elements that support plant development. It's perfect for watering geraniums, and you'll see amazing results in no time. This wonderful fertilizer is made from crushed onion peels. All you need are 2 handfuls of onion peels. Pour a liter of hot water over them. Let the mixture sit overnight. The next day, the fertilizer is ready to use. For watering geraniums, dilute the onion peel fertilizer with an additional liter of water. Your geraniums will reward you with beautiful flowers. For use as a spray, you can use the onion mixture without diluting it. Pour the fertilizer into a spray bottle. The onion extract acts as a natural pesticide. Its strong smell repels unwanted insects without harming the plants or the environment. It's excellent for protecting against aphids. Regular use guarantees complete protection. This is the best way to store geraniums until spring. With this method, you'll enjoy beautiful flowers next year. Before the frost, dig up the geraniums from the garden or remove them from their pots. Shake off the excess soil from the roots. Remove all faded flowers and any new buds, as the geranium needs to focus its energy on surviving the winter rather than blooming. Also, remove any dried or diseased leaves. Next, prepare a paper bag and place the geranium inside, ensuring the entire plant fits inside, with only the roots sticking out. Tie the bag with string, but not too tightly. You can store the geraniums in a place where the temperature is between a few and around 10 degrees Celsius, such as a cellar or a cool cupboard. Make sure the bag is not exposed to direct sunlight. The bag can either hang or sit on a shelf. The important thing is that it's paper. And even if all the leaves drop, don't worry. This is normal. In spring, the plant will sprout new leaves, and once planted in the ground, it will revive even faster.